Okay, so to create a flat circle, you're going to start with a magic ring. If you do not know how to make a magic ring, I will leave the link in the description below. Check that out. Okay, so create a magic ring and make 6 single crochets into the ring. Pull your yarn tight, close the ring. Okay, so you totally have 6 chains now. For row 2, you're going to do an increase in each chain. You will totally have 12 stitches in the end, so that's 2. So you have a total of 12 stitches now. I'm just going to use the small bit behind as my stitch marker. For row 3, you're going to do 1 single crochet in the next 2 chains and an increase in the second one. And an increase in the same chain. You're going to repeat that 5 more times and you will have a total of 18 stitches. So I totally have 18 stitches. For row 4, I'm going to make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches and an increase in the same third one. And an increase into the same chain. Repeat that 5 more times and you should have a total of 24 stitches. So I'm done with my 4th row. You can continue on. You can make the circle as big as you want. You just need to increase by 1 stitch in each row. Increase by 6 stitches. So for the next row you will do 4 and an increase in the 4th one, then 5 and an increase in the 5th one. So make it as big as you want. For my last round alone, I like to finish it with an increase in the start, because as you can see it's not a perfect circle. So by starting it with an increase and then continuing it with how many stitches I need to do, it makes it look better. So for this round I'm going to do an increase by 1 in the start, and 3 more. You still have the same number of stitches only, so it just makes it look a little better. I'll do it once more. You can see the circle is getting a little more neat, so you do the same thing 3 more times. So I'm done with my last row. To finish, I'm just going to end it with a slip stitch into the next chain. Do a slip stitch, cut off, pull it tight. So yeah,